Yes, BJMP.
Thank you for that question. Very appropriate for the BJMP, as we all know. For the last 2 days, may dinalang mga former government officials sa aming custody, and last year, 7 other government officials din. Paano nga ba may iwasan yan? The notion is that yung pinakita po kasi naming selda nila is, yun na po kasi talaga ang standard cell natin. Part of our decongestion program is the construction of jail facilities. One of that is Quezon City Jail Mail Dorm that you saw in Payatas. It currently houses 3,600, more than 3,600 persons deprived of liberty, general population, at naandoon din po ang mga government officials na nasasakdal na yan. So, for transparency purpose, we released photos of their cells, and what you saw, yun din po ang accommodation and cell nung 3,600. It's the same. We just want to show na mas makatao na rin po ang piitan. It's the standard now. Part of our decongestion is to construct jails, modern, humane jails. So, ayan po. Another issue, another factor, another intervention there is, of course, a policy on a zero-tolerance policy on VIP treatment. It was directed by no other than the Secretary of the Interior and Local Government, Secretary Juanito John de Cremulya, to our agency not to do that. On the part of the Chief BJMP, Jail Director Rivera, he directed wardens. He reminded wardens na ang nagawa po niyan will be subject to administrative case, and at the extreme case ay dismissal from the service. The DILG Secretary also committed in providing body-worn cameras to our personnel handling those former government officials to ensure transparency, at the same time accountability, at monitor namin, and we don't want them to corrupt our employees also. Aside from that, we trust that all our employees are professional, and they will follow professional ethics and guidelines to them. And they will follow rules on no VIP treatment. Thank you.
Okay, final question from Denise.
Follow-up lang po dun, sir. So, do we have a timeline on when we could expect that our jail system or infrastructure is going to level up, just what you showed po sa Quezon City?
Quezon City is not alone, yung facility nga. We have 142 projects similar to that, not completed. 144 jails are not congested out of 484 jail facilities. So 144 are not congested. May marami pa tayong hahabulin. Right now we have 9 projects, 9 jails who are currently being constructed, and we can only understand our national government that we have limited funds to construct also. We have limited budget. We prioritize those who are highly congested jails, katulad po ng Dasmariñas City, Muntinlupa City, and San Mateo Municipal Jail, whose jail facility right now pushing for infrastructure. But then again, as we've said before, infrastructure, constructing jail facilities are not enough. Kaya po, we have this decongestion summit to gain the gains on decongestion. Ano pang mga programa, hindi lang papapatayo ng pilitan. So I hope that answers your question, ma'am. Thank you. Are not congested. Yeah.
All right. So,